Hey guys, I am here to share with you my Print Pressions Oops box that I just received today. Super excited about it. I wasn't initially gonna do an unboxing, but I thought, why not? So I can share all the goodies with you. So what I'm gonna do is, I haven't opened it, I haven't seen anything in it yet, so this is gonna be a surprise to me just as much as it is to you. So if you are interested in seeing what's in this baby, keep watching. All right, so here is just a thank you card for my purchase. I just love these, they're just so beautiful. It's just a nice little simple thank you note, hoping that I enjoy it as much as they enjoyed creating it. And so I think that's a nice little touch to put in the box. And so here we have, let's start with this here. It's gonna be like your silver metallic ring folio, and this is actually one that snaps. They do also have one that has like a string on it that you can wrap around with the elastic. So they do have one that's like that as well, but this is the one that snaps. And you know, it has the two snaps, so you can snap it here, or you can snap it here, you know, if it's a little fatter. But look at this color. Look at this. It's so soft. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't know what I'm going to do with it or how I'm going to use it, but it will be used for sure. I'm thinking maybe I could use this as like a wallet. I could put my driver's license, cards in there, a little change purse. Trust me, I'll figure it out. All right, and then here's gonna be your B6 size. This is the B6 planner, which I actually just recently purchased the Print Pression Weeks. And this is a 12-month planner with 52 weeks on 2 pages. Haven't started using it yet, but this is what I was most excited about getting from this company. And then I saw that they had an Oops box and thought I would take a risk and see exactly what they were offering. And I'm pretty happy with what I've seen so far. So let's just continue. This is going to be your B6 sized. I mean, this fits right in here, like just like so. And this is actually going to have the elastic on it. And this is going to be more of like your mint color, seafoam green. It's nice. This is really nice. And there's elastics on the inside, so you can add more than one book or just one book, however you want to use that. The pockets. Here's another one. Yeah, I'm liking this color. And then let's open this. Has 2 of your bookmarkers, pink and gray. All right, and they have a monthly there, and I like these because they pretty much sit flat. So it looks like all your monthlies are going to be in the front. Yeah, and then you'll have each week thereafter, which is also on 2 pages. So just like the PP weeks, but you have a longer bar for each day, and then Saturday and Sunday you have split in half there. So there's that. And you know, they say it's a Oops box, but I never can find what the problem is on the pages. So I'm not complaining, it's beautiful. These are going to be a couple of the Print Pression Weeks size, which is perfect because it's 2 of them. I purchased 2 of them, and then they gave me another one. And this one's a little different than the ones that I purchased, but oh, this is a daily. Okay, so this is gonna be your month view. It's gonna have monthly, you know, what month you're in, monthly tasks, daily habits. And then you're gonna have a month view right here. So these are all gonna be for months, and then it goes into your daily view. So this is a weekly overview, and then each day you'll have your days and then any tasks that you want to put for the next day. And that's what they have here. It's beautiful. Pink and gray are their main colors, but I've just noticed today that they actually have a summer line that's out with some bright yellows and blues and greens and things of that nature. So if you're interested, go take a look. Here is the metallic pink, and this is a snap as well. And there you are. And this is gonna have your elastic inside. And you just stick your print pressions in there and close it up. And you just have that and you just walk away. I just love how like, it's so light and you know, flimsy. I love that. It's not something that's gonna be hard and heavy in addition to the size or weight of the book. It's nice and fluffy and it'll be easy to carry around. And then here's a green. Now this one's not metallic, but it's like still like that sea foam, or maybe not sea foam, but almost like a light forest green color. This is gonna have your elastic, and again, just put your print pressions right in there and then you can carry it as such. So altogether, it looks like there was 6 items in the box. I loved each and every one of them. They're all gonna be used in different ways, and I have no complaints. I'm happy with the mystery. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna use every item as much as I possibly can. I might even gift something to someone. So that's all I have to share for you today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got a little insight on what Print Pression offers. And if you're interested, you can just go to printpression.com, see what they have, and make your purchase. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye. But I'm super excited. So, now I'm pretty new to Print Pression, so I'm not aware of the name of all of their stuff, but I'm gonna sit here and open this, and I wasn't gonna purchase it by itself.